Why does your scanner show the P0645 engine code? What does it mean? P0645 is a diagnostic trouble code for air conditioning clutch relay control circuit malfunction. It indicates that the PCM has detected a voltage reading from the air conditioning clutch relay control circuit is out of the manufacturer's range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty air conditioning clutch. Defective air conditioning clutch relay. Damaged wiring. Poor connections. PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Hyundai, Honda, Nissan, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.